In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create conditional logic in Tally. So, first, open your web browser and go to Tally. Then sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the form where you want to add conditional logic. If you haven't created one yet, you can start a new form by selecting Create Form. The important thing here is to begin with the form you'll actually be editing, since conditional logic is applied directly to the questions inside that specific form. Next, add all the questions and fields that will be part of your workflow. It's a good idea to place everything into the form before setting up the logic, because this makes it much easier to build the right conditions afterward. Arrange the questions in the order you want people to experience them, since the flow of the form affects how natural the conditional logic feels to the respondent. After that, click on the specific question or block that you only want to show under certain circumstances. Selecting that field opens its settings panel, which is where you'll control when that question appears or stays hidden. In the field settings, look for the conditional logic or visibility option. Click into that area to start building your rule. This is the part that tells Tally when a question should be displayed based on a previous answer. Now create your condition by choosing the question that will trigger the rule, then select the answer or criteria that must be met. For example, you might want a follow-up question to appear only when someone answers yes. This helps keep your form cleaner and more relevant because respondents only see questions that apply to them. If needed, you can also add additional rules. This is useful when a single condition isn't enough. You can combine rules using AND or OR logic to make the behavior more precise. AND means all selected conditions must be true, while OR means only one of them needs to be true. Using the right one will help you match the workflow you want. Once your conditions are in place, review them carefully and save or apply the changes to that field. Taking a moment to double check the setup can help you avoid confusion later, especially if your form includes multiple branching paths. Then click Preview to test the form. Go through it several times and answer the questions in different ways so you can confirm the logic works correctly. This testing step is essential because it lets you catch anything that doesn't behave as expected before sharing the form. Finally, when everything looks good, publish the form or share it using your preferred method. Once it's live, respondents will see questions dynamically based on their answers, creating a smoother and more personalized form experience.